855 taxi, just, straight across into the, mystery taxiway to Echo. Have a nice day.
Copy, I'll take care of 855. Are they going to name it or just get rid of it when they know what it's going?
It is going to be a temporary taxiway, but it is going to get named. I think, a few more days of us crying like children, and it should probably have a sign there. Maybe like the cell phone stores where the guys stand there spinning the signs or whatever. I'd be cool with that. Or like the little inflatable, Gumby dude at the car washes. Just something so it stands out.
Okay, whatever works. Sounds good.
Just so someone knows it's there.
Actually quite useful.
It's lovely. I wish they'd make it permanent, but they said they won't. I mean, it looks to be expertly paved. I don't know how it's any worse than the rest of the asphalt at this place, but apparently we can't keep it.
It would relieve a lot of congestion if you had both of those open.
Exactly. I mean, that's why it'll never last, because it would make sense for it to stay. So, per the government, it must be dynamited when the construction's over.
Anything to make it more complicated, right?
Exactly. The government's not happy unless you're not happy.
Nothing good will ever come.
You know it. Oh, and for everyone listening, these views are my own and should not be misconstrued as the views of the FAA. Just in case this happens to make it to YouTube, I've now covered myself.
VASAviation's listening.
Yeah, good old Victor. I'm sure it'll show up there sooner or later.
Now I'm curious to see that special entrance. I'm always at the golf site.
Well, good luck finding it. It's not lit, doesn't have a sign, it's not on the map. Basically need a metal detector to find it.
And 7 Papa Alpha's going to Echo.
7 Papa Alpha. Let's roll it out to Alpha, and then Alpha to Echo with me.
You mean Alpha and then the secret entrance for 7 Papa Alpha?
That's right. You see? We're not supposed to talk about it, though.
Alright, we'll take the Alpha and enter to the secret entrance. 7 Papa Alpha.
That's right. You gotta know the password.